Hi YouTubers, it's Chuck here. Just printing the essential parts that you require. I'll try and give a link to it. Just these are the wheels that go on the bottom of your leveling screws. And I've slowly started printing things and modifying my CR10. I'm about to put this on, see if this works. But I think I'm just waiting for some upgraded software for well, not upgrade software, a new board. I'm going to put the CR10S board in, and then I'm going to put all this on, which is my other Z axis. But I'm trying to get it all sorted because I'm having one problem. The center of the bed, for some reason, I don't believe it's that level. You can see this is printing out nicely. In the center here, I had a whole bunch of rubbish when I got home, and I had two wheels on this end here and over there, I think it was, and this one here didn't do anything and looks like it's dug into the board. So my leveling is very poor at the moment. I'm not sure. I leveled it with that level program, which was fine, but the center is not level for some reason. I'm going to have to get a board or something and lie it across it to see what's going on. Even something like that. Can I see anything under there? We'll see. Look at that. That goes like that. Straight away, it looks like it's level, but if I can go like that, it's not really. Well, I'm thinking that I need a wider board. Definitely need a wider board to see if it actually has got a little bow in the center. But I'm still trying to print parts, trying to upgrade, trying to do anything I can. See, that was part of the relief for the cable, and the cable part was in the center and it totally got destroyed. I'm also having a little bit of problems with Cura because I've got two printers. It doesn't seem to hold both printer profiles properly. Now, if anyone knows how to do that, please leave me a message. I really need it. I really need it. Look, I'm no expert at everything. I just give it a try, and like everyone, we all have a little bit of a failure rate, and if it comes up good, well, we smile and we put the parts on and we say, oh, we're really good at this. But if it comes up bad, we really don't tell anyone. But in my case, I just tell everyone. It's easier to tell people that I've stuffed up, and then maybe someone can give me a hand. And like, I've got one printer over the other side. I'm still playing with that, the Z5. I'm trying to get that ready for the makerspace because I want to donate that to them. But at the same time, I've got Gearbest wanting me to do more affiliate stuff and more of this and that. I'm happy to do that, but I'll only recommend things that I think are actually going to work for people. I can't put people in a position where they've got to spend a heap of money and they're not going to get anything out of it. It's not fair to them. It's not fair to anyone. So anyway, if you like this video, please thumbs me up. Please leave me a comment. I love reading people's comments. And I don't care if it's good, bad or indifferent. It's just good to know. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. And leave me a like if you can. Alright, have a lovely day. Okay, bye.